My name is Sway Parik. I'm doing my engineering in electronics and communication in LDRP ITR. I'm pursuing my 8th SEM there. And my final year project is gesture control, which I'm doing with Strawberry Enterprise.
Hi friends, my name is Jaisha. I'm also in LDRP college. I'm pursuing my B in HM Electronics and Communication Engineering. My last year project same as gesture control with Strawberry Enterprise.
Okay, so could you just explain a bit about your project that is gesture control? What are you guys exactly doing on it and how are you pursuing it in Strawberry?
Okay, through gesture control, we are supposed to make a mouse and a keyboard. So you'll not be needing any hardware for your execution. So you can just do with your hands, clicking, dragging, everything.
So is it sort of like they show in movies that comes
Yes,
digitally?
it comes and you
Okay.
click. Yeah, exactly.
Same as Sixth Sense.
Technology.
Yes.
Okay, great. So how did you come across Strawberry Education?
Actually, our classmates were earlier coming here.
Uh-huh.
So through them, their project was so exciting. So we inspired by them,
And
we are coming here.
Okay. So would you like to share your experience after becoming a part of Strawberry?
Yeah, it's been a great experience. We have learned so many things, especially in MATLAB and image processing. Yeah.
So through MATLAB in processing, we done our project image gesture control.
Uh-huh.
So in MATLAB we're learning it very easily. And जो हमारा जो concept था वो भी सब clear हो गया जो MATLAB पे
And
थोड़ा problem था वो भी हो गया.
our basics are clear now. Earlier, we had attended a seminar on image processing. In that, the guy was going very fast and he was not clearing our basics. Actually,
And in that, the hands-on is not there. So we cannot learn properly MATLAB. And that MATLAB is especially for computer engineering, not for electronics and communication. So here we attend MATLAB only for our branch EC and especially for our project image processing.
Okay. Great. So are you being charged for this
no, not
project?
at all. No.
Not at all?
No.
Okay, great. So would you like to tell us something about the workshop that you just attended?
Yeah, the MATLAB workshop, which was really great. The things which we were not knowing, we came to know, and they were so easy to execute, and for us they were so useful in our project, so that we can enhance our project.
And we also done it, we also GUI and UI interface.
Yeah.
So through there we can interconnect user interface with our project.
Okay.
So for other people it's easy to see or understand what is our project through GUI.
Okay, so it makes it more user friendly.
Yes, more user friendly.
Okay, great. So was this workshop, did you pay anything for this workshop?
No, not at all, nothing.
Nothing, so it was from the company side?
Yes,
Yes,
from the company side.
Great. And what about your experience with the trainer? Like, how is your trainer treating you? What is his knowledge,
It's
skills?
good.
Yeah, it's damn
His
good.
knowledge is very best.
Mhm.
Fine. Concept wise is also good.
If we find any problem at certain point, he stops there and explain us in detail. Yeah, everything. So he's not going like go ahead and don't look back. अगर कोई नहीं समझ रहा है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. He looks after with everyone's problem.
Means सबको साथ लेके चलता है ऐसा बोल सकते हैं हम.
Okay, great. That's good to hear. Now, have you attended such workshops before? You just mentioned,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that was the only workshop that you attended previously?
Yeah, it was seminar come workshop.
Okay.
And then in that the hands-on practice was very less. So we cannot
Connect with MATLAB.
Yeah, we cannot connect with MATLAB practically. It was like theory and going on bouncers.